This is an update of the refrigerator I fixed 2 years ago. It is still working. Here's the model number for the fridge. I will leave link at the top right corner for the original video if you're interested in seeing how I was able to fix this fridge. Everything in here is cold. I keep the fridge temperature at 35 degrees Fahrenheit and the freezer temperature is at 0 degree. Since I fixed this fridge 2 years ago, I haven't had to do anything extra to it. I haven't had any freon or did any other maintenance. Let's take a look at the freezer to see what it looks like. Everything in here is rock solid. I hope you can hear that. I am very grateful that I was able to fix this fridge. Hopefully it will be working for a long time, knock on wood. Another flaw I noticed with this fridge is this piece right here. You can see how close it is to the bottom of the fridge. It's not touching, but it should not be that low. How do I know that? Because if you look at this top piece right here, you can see this piece is barely touching this compartment. It's supposed to be all the way inside of it. It looks like about, I would say, 2/16 of an inch is touching this when it should be more like a quarter of an inch. I was thinking about taking it off and move it up, but it looked like at some point I'm gonna have to do it anyway. I'm just gonna have to unscrew this and move it up because I'm not sure how long this is gonna last. You can see this part is started to wear off. Eventually it's not gonna be touching anything. So that is another manufacturer defect by GE. I'm not sure how this pass quality control. It shouldn't pass quality control. That's one thing I will be paying attention when I buy appliances in the future. But I don't think I'm gonna buy anything like this again. From now on, I will be buying simpler appliances that does not have as many moving parts. That's one way your appliances should be able to last longer. Taking a look at the back of the fridge, actually the only maintenance I do once a year, I clean the lid of this metal cover, then I take it off and clean the lid on the line set of the fridge. Because this is removable, I'm just gonna remove it and wash it off, and then I'm gonna try to clean the line set on the inside. This fridge had a total of 6 screws I had to take off. I'm just using a regular screwdriver. I took the bit out and it fit perfectly. This is the last screw I'm taking out now. And this cover come off. I'm gonna take it outside and wash all the lint off. So this is what this looked like. You can see it got a little dirty. This is where the line set was touching the bottom of the pan and it got rusty and eventually was leaking. I was able to solder this new piece of copper into it. It haven't leaked since, knock on wood. And the only other modification I did was adding this valve right there so I would have access to add the refrigerant to it. Since then, I haven't had any extra refrigerant to this system. So what I'm doing right now to clean it off is spraying some cleaning product on it and using a soft toothbrush, just brush it off. I'm not gonna be able to get to the back. I'm just trying to take out what I can see from here. So I'm just gonna keep doing this and see how clean I can get it. I clean as much as I could with the soft toothbrush. Now I'm just using a bottle of water to rinse it off. Most of the water will drip to the bottom of the pan where it will evaporate naturally, and some will fall on the floor. I will just push the fridge forward and wipe it off. Also, all the other one I couldn't get with the toothbrush, I'm just trying to aim with the water so I can knock some off. I think this is as clean as I can get it without damaging anything. Just finished cleaning the back cover, dry it and put it back on, put all the fastener back on. I had to cut this section out because this piece is extending more than the panel cover. I am very hopeful that this fridge will last for a long time. Again, if you're interested in seeing the original video of how I was able to fix this fridge, I will leave a link at the top right of this video, and I will also leave a link in the description box. If you like this video, you might also enjoy the recommended video. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.